He's Mike Spammy again.
Troll. Hey, Bulldog, can you tell me if there's a spy in here? Oh, I'm so sorry for that. I'm so sorry. I just put a spy accident. I'll let you get it to come back. I'm so sorry.
What the hell?
You have to get rid of your friend. Oh, sorry. Get in, get in, get in. This is spy in here, dude. Spy. Spy in the water, in the water, in the water.